New at noon, March is Colon Cancer Awareness Month, and the Healthcare Foundation of North Mississippi needs your help with a fundraiser. It is hosting the annual Run for Your Buns 5K to benefit the North Mississippi Medical Center Cancer Care Foundation. Rather fun. And joining us right now is Jeannie Alice Bruce, the annual giving officer with the foundation. How are you doing this afternoon?
I'm great, thank you.
So tell us a little bit about the Cancer Care Fund that has been in effect.
Yes, so the Cancer Care Fund is one of the funds we manage at the Healthcare Foundation, and it is there to benefit cancer patients in our community, and it is there to benefit them with things like assistance with utilities, transportation, medication. We all know cancer treatment can be long and expensive and draining and affects every aspect of people's lives, and so that fund is just there as a way to help relieve some of that financial burden.
Okay, and when it comes to Run for Your Buns, how excited are you about this event?
We are really excited. This is going to be, we started this event in 2015. We had to take a couple of years off because of COVID, of course, and we were back last year. Had a great time last year, and we've made some improvements. It's going to be even better this year. If somebody could put in a good word with Matt and Chelsea for the weather, that would be great. We would love to have beautiful weather that day. So yeah, we're really excited. Registration is going well. We've had a lot of support from local businesses for sponsorships, so we're excited.
And when it comes to the foundation, especially helping out colon cancer patients, what are some of the stories that you hear in regards to helping them?
Yeah. So, you know, that Cancer Care Fund is there for all cancer patients in our service area, but a large chunk of that, a large percentage of cancer patients in our service area, they are colon cancer patients. And the most common stories that I hear are transportation issues. You know, people drive from all over our service area to get to Tupelo, sometimes from an hour or more away every day for treatment. And we just hear so often, you know, I can't afford the gas to get to Tupelo every day for treatment. And so that fund will purchase gas cards for those patients. We also commonly hear stories of people who are diagnosed with cancer and start out doing okay, and then as their treatment goes on, they might experience job loss or at least unpaid time off work. And so we hear stories about needing help with just groceries for their family, help with utilities so that their family has electricity and things like that. One story we always share is a colon cancer patient who had not expressed any need for help, and then the social worker noticed his shoes were worn out and just asked, you know, what's the deal? What's the deal with these shoes? And he said, well, you know, he had been walking like 30 minutes every day for chemo, and said, you know, if I could get a new pair of shoes. And so the fund was able to not only get him some new shoes, but also gas cards to help him get to and from treatment a little easier.
Oh, that is so awesome to hear what you all are doing. And before we let you go, if you can just let our viewers know, when is Run for Your Buns?
Sure. Run for Your Buns is Saturday, April 1st, so a week from tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. It's at Fair Park in downtown Tupelo. It's a great course. It starts out on Main Street and goes around the birthplace. So it's a really fun course, and registration is available at runsignup.com.
All right. Thank you so much, Jeannie Alice Bruce, for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
Still to come on